Quick, graph y equals e to the quantity of x minus 2 power minus 4 by hand 2 different ways. This is part of the Family of Functions series. You will need graph paper, or you can download this PDF and print it. Press pause as needed anytime during this video. First, we need to decide what the parent function is and its shape. Parent function is y equals e to the x, and this is its shape along with its asymptote. I like to refer to this as an easy chair shape. Identify the parameters. These are values in the expression that affect the graph. In this case, there are 2 different parameters. How do they affect the graph? Well, the minus 4 shifts all points down 4, including the asymptote, which will be going from y equals 0 to y equals negative 4. So let's plot that. This also affects the so-called new origin. The minus 2 in the exponent shifts all points to the right 2. So our new origin is now going to be at 2 because we're shifting all points right 2, and minus 4, negative 4, all going down 4. So let's plot 2, negative 4. Point out that all points will be plotted relative to this so-called new origin. Now we're ready to do the e to the x dance. Here, recall these values for e, the powers of e that we need to know. So right 0 up 1 because e to the 0 is 1, so we'll plot that one, again, relative to this new origin. Right 1 up e, which is about 2.7. Right 2 up e squared, which is about 7.4. Now going in the other direction, left 1 up 0.4 because e to the negative 1 is the reciprocal of e, which is about 0.4. And left 2 up 0.14, that's the reciprocal of e, then squared. Connect the points, make it look like an easy chair, and compare it to the parent function, and you can see that it's been shifted to the right and also down. Second way, using a table. Here's our table of 5 traditional values for the y equals e to the x parent function. The minus 2 in the exponent shifts all points to the right 2, which means we have to add 2 to each x value to shift it to the right. So starting with the first 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 1 plus 2 is 3, and so on. Press pause if I'm going too fast, anytime. The minus 4 shifts all points down 4, which means we subtract 4 from each y value. For example, 7.4 minus 4 is 3.4, so we plot the point 4, 3.4. We suggest you pause the video and finish these points, plot them, and finish the graph. Resume when you're ready. It's 2.7 minus 4 is about negative 1.3. 3, negative 1.3. 1 minus 4, negative 3. 2, negative 3. 0.4 minus 4 is negative 3.6. So 1, negative 3.6. And 0.14 minus 4 is negative 3.86. 0, negative 3.86, a y-intercept. Draw the asymptote. You see that it's kind of flattening out here at y equals negative 4. So we'll draw in y equals negative 4. Connect the points to make it look like an easy chair. And compare it to the parent function. Now you try one. Graph y equals e to the quantity of x plus 3 power plus 2. Use either method or both for practice. Press pause to do this and resume when you're finished to check your answer. And here's your answer. The graph is in green. Here's the table of values also.